for this I'm using 6x4 canvas. Now let's sketch the starry night very roughly on this canvas. Now let's take Persian blue, add little bit of white to it. Now cover the sky with this color. Here I'm using a flat brush and cover the entire sky, leaving the stars and that curly path. If you want, you can cover the edges as well to give a more professional look. Now let's add more white, and now let's cover this curvy part. So this way we will be able to differentiate between all the partitions. Now add more white. It's now the lighter shade of blue. Let's make the mountains. Add more white to it, and this will be the floor or the ground. Wow, it's done. Now it's time to make small lines or markings. You can make it easily by making small dashes like I'm making. See, we are making so many dashes over here. These small dashes will act as a blueprint for you all to make the entire painting. Try to keep your mind calm because this needs lot of patience, and try to be free with your hand movement. So after making all the dashes, let's add more white, and now it's the lighter version. So let's make more dashes here and there with this light color. As you have seen in the painting, it is the mixture of various shades of blue. You can easily turn your canvas and make dots in whichever direction you are free and comfortable. You can just turn your canvas and try to make these dashes. Add more white and repeat the process in this curly wavy pattern. It needs lots of patience, and it actually took around 7 hours for me to complete this mini canvas. Add more of white and give little bit of highlight to the curves. These two curves will be bit lighter as compared to the entire sky. Add more white, and now let's give a highlight once again with a more white tint to it. So you can see that we have not actually used blue over here, but we have added a tint of blue to white. Now it's time to cover the mountains. Let's cover it with white. Again it has a tint of blue. Now the hills which are nearby is with the darker shade, so for that take Persian blue without mixing anything. So you can see that I have made small dashes or slanting lines, you can say, and covered the entire hill. Try to keep your hand movements very soft and gentle because it will give a nice curve to your mountains. Now by mixing blue and white, let's give highlight and also cover the mountain, the first layer of the mountain. So you can see I've covered it with white, and now I'm giving bit of highlights or small strokes of blue light blue, that is by mixing Persian blue and white. Now it's time to make some grass or greenland. I've used sap green over here. Let's add green to this tree as well. Now I've taken green and mixed chrome yellow to it, and let's make dashes over here as well. As we are using acrylic colors, and you all know that as they dry it tends to become lighter, or it tends to the shade tends to intensify. Here I am adding more of chrome yellow and giving the highlights. Now it's time to cover this tree. Let's make sap green and Persian blue and make lines. Now to add darker shade or lines to this tree, let's make these lines with Persian blue directly. Now let's make one more layer with blue by mixing white and blue, and the movement of the brush will be in a C form, like letter C. Now let's make hut. You can use the same color and make small huts, and one star is there, so I'm making with this. Now I have used burnt sienna brown. You can use brown as well. Give little bit of highlights and make windows by using chrome yellow. Now it's time to make stars. Make a circle with chrome yellow, mix bit of orange to it, and in a form of C make a design to it. Now by mixing chrome yellow and white, make small dashes all around the stars. See, just keep your hands calm. Add blue. You can mix white and blue and fill in these dashes inside the yellow portion. Give a highlight or a touch to orange as well. With white you can give the highlight to the grasslands you have made. Now with yellow, make small strokes here and there in the sky. And now let's give depth to the painting and detailing to the painting. So for that I've mixed Persian blue and black, and with that only I'm giving the outlining to the entire painting along with the details. The floor or the ground which is left, I have used brown to cover it. Now we can add more yellow or highlight to it. So for that I'm using lime yellow over here or lemon yellow over here, and giving small highlights and detailings to the sky plus to the climber as well. And it's done. 1, 2 and 3. Ta-da! Hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.